Hello everybody and welcome. In today's video we're going to be installing these lights into a 2022 Model Y. They're both puddle lights as well as well lights. Let's have a look. I've unpacked all of the boxes and here's what we have. We have some instructions. We have 3 screwdrivers, one longer than the other. We have 4 lights with wires hanging out of them, and these are the Tesla logo lights for the puddle lights. Located on the right there are regular well lights. I have 4, I think I only need 2, both for the passenger and the driver's well. So let's have a look at this. We're going to pull the door lights out first. And my original plan was, of course, to use the Tesla logo on all 4 doors. And I may do that since I have 4 logo lights. Let's have a look. Let's look underneath each one of the doors and see how we remove it. This kit of parts comes from a company called Winer, W-I-N-E-R. I'm assuming it's supposed to be winner, but it's Winer. The car whiner, or car winner, if they would like to call it that, comes from Amazon. I picked what I felt was a good quality light. These are extra bright OSRAM LEDs, and there's 6 of them, so it should light up pretty well. If you're wondering, I used my own money to purchase this. This was not a donation. But the instructions look pretty clear. Looks like the English is good and easy to understand. Nothing on the back. So let's get into it. We'll pull one of the lights out and see what we get. We'll do a before and after of each light. This is what the light looks like, and if we look real close here, you can see a little notch where we're going to pry it out. So I'm going to stick a screwdriver here and carefully pry down. Looks like it wants to come out pretty easy. Try not to trash it. All right. And then pull it out. And you can see it's got a little wire here on the inside. And it has a little release right here, as you can see right here on top. So if I push that down, I can pull the wire up, but I'm going to need both hands. So let's go to the GoPro. All right, well, let's see. We've released the light, pull the lights of the original, use the tip of the tool to align the buckle and unplug the original car. Grab it with one hand and don't let it bounce back. Well, that's probably a good idea. All right, we're going to try that with the screwdriver. Let's have a look here with our light. And I'm just looking. And if I look at the new light, get some kind of an idea. Yeah, it's got a little tang right here, you see? A little tang. And this holder needs to come down away. So let's see what I can do here. This will be the experiment for sure. See if I can put the light that side. Yeah, it might be a little better. All right, so that's it. Whoa. Wow, that was weird. I unplugged it and the window moved. All right, I'm going to hold on to this baby. Plug this in. The window moved. How cool is that? Oh, that's also cool. All right, so we are plugged in. And I'm going to push this back up in here, and I've got to figure out which way the Tesla light goes. And it looks like it goes that way. And I'll take this and I will push it right back up in there, and that's it. That's as hard as it is to replace it. But I'm here to tell you, if you let go of that light, you might have some issues. The wire that comes down, I mean. Here's our handiwork. And this floor doesn't allow it to look good. Besides, it's super bright. But you can see the word Tesla, and we can see the logo. So we'll wait till it gets a little darker and eyeball it. Let's get to the passenger door behind the driver. So this is interesting here now. I guessed properly. If you look at this, this is right. And if I look at this other one here, this one is left. So out of the 4 of them, I guessed properly. How about that? I put it in the left side. So this one will go here in this door on the left side of the car. This is the back left passenger door now. Looks very much like the front door. So let's go ahead and remove this and get the light changed. There we go. Just needed a little coaxing. All right, same difference. It's got a relatively short wire, and I'm going to hold on to the wire, and I'm going to release the plug. Did you hear that noise? That's the window. Kind of weird. It's all right. I'm sure the microprocessor said, whoa, all of a sudden I don't have a load on this LED. There we go. All right, so here we are. We're plugged in well. We'll stick this back up here. I want to make sure that the Tesla is the correct direction, and the key to it is where the screwdriver goes over on this side. So we'll carefully put this here, put this in there, and snap it in. That's all it's to it. All right, well, let's go and do the other doors. We'll start with the back right. This is the back right door. We'll go ahead and remove this now. Same. The little pry hole right here is usually towards the vehicle. So as you can see, there's nothing here. All right, well, let's get this one switched out. Come on. You can do it. And there it is. All right, same difference. It's got a little bit of blue tape on here. I imagine that was to hold it into the door well or something. Not sure. And listen here now, when I take this out, you're going to hear the the window do something. All right, here we go. There you go. All right. Carefully grab this, stick it in, and you listen to the window. All right, hear that? All right. Looks like we're doing our thing. So it looks pretty good. This seems to be brighter than the driver door. We'll have to see how that goes. I'm going to take the pry hole right here and put it in where it should be, and that'll go in last. So we'll stick this one side in and then there, and that's it. Logo looks correct. All right, one more to do. Let's do the passenger door on the right side. This is the passenger door now on the front right, and it looks just like the rest with the pry hole. So let's get this one out. I've been playing with it. It's halfway out now. Comes out just like the other. This one does have a shorter wire. I don't really want to pull on it, but I do have to hold it. It's going to be more difficult, but it's all right. I'm going to push the wire against the side here with my finger and then carefully use the screwdriver and release the plug like I've been doing. There we go. Okay, stay. All right, and we'll take this guy, make sure we don't lose the wire, hold it against the side here, and push it in. Oh, it didn't like that, but it's okay. As you can see, it's working. All right, let's make sure the logo is going the right way, and it is. And we'll stick it in. Snap it in just like that, and we're done. All right, well, let's get to the well lights now. I'm not sure how we do that. I'm sure it's similar, but let's have a look. We're on the driver's side here now. As you can kind of look. very much like the door lights. See if I can figure out which side the other side is. It almost appears like the little ejector thing is on this side, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll do a little prying and see what we can do. I've got a little bit smaller screwdriver. This long screwdriver came with the Puddle lights, the ones with the logo. And as you can see, a little smaller. Maybe because we don't have as much room or something, I don't know. Hate to break it, but it's coming out anyway. Wow. Problem with this particular light is up on an angle. Come on, get out of there. There we go. Well, I hated doing that. Alright, same difference. Little pressure here on the switch. And this should come out just like that. Alright. Let's get our new Puddle light here. We'll take a look. Alright, well, let's get this new light. As you can see, it looks very much the same, but it's got 6 LEDs in it versus the one. Alright. Ooh-wee. Now that's some kind of bright, and it's got a blue tint to it. Kind of cool. Alright. Should have an ejector side. Yep. So we'll put it in that way. Click it in. And there you have it. That went in okay. The hard part was getting it out. Alright, well, let's go do the passenger side now. This is the passenger side. It is actually not at an angle like the driver's. And I'll pry it from one side or the other. We'll get this out of here. Don't make me get my drill out. There we go. God darn. What a pain. Oh, look. Lots of wire. All right. We'll pull this. Try not to short the contacts. I hate to blow up the driver. Put a little pressure there and pull the light out. Grab the new light. Line up the contacts. Stick it in. Just like that. And then we're ready to go. Really? There we go. All right, well, there you have it. We're going to wait a little bit until it gets real dark and we'll have another look. Installation is complete. Here's what I have left over. I have the 6 existing lights and the 2 extra lights, which I bought here for installation in Greg's car. The difference is, if we look real careful, it's hard to see, but let's see if we can zoom in here. There is 1 LED in the Tesla ones. Certainly it's bright enough, it does the job, but when I look over here at the new replacement, they have 6 LEDs. So you can tell it's much brighter, and it's much brighter in the well as well. Let's wait until tonight when I can see all this in the dark and we'll have a look. Let's check out these new lights I just put in today. Open the back door. Oh, dude, how cool is that? That looks nice and sharp and nice and bright. Man, that's nice. Let's see what the front looks like. Oh, just the same. How about that? You can see the light from the, if I put my hand over it here, from the center lights that look down. Let's walk around in the back here. Back right. Yeah, that's pretty snazzy. All right, look at the passenger light. That's what I'm talking about. And check this out. Wow, look at that. It's not real bright, it's pretty. You look over here on the driver's side, it's the same. That's what I'm talking about. I don't know about you, but I really like this upgraded light here in the Model Y. I'll put the description of the products I bought off of Amazon here in the description in case you're interested. So I'm sitting in the car, and as you saw, the lights timed out. Those are the internal lights, both the ones up here and the Footwell lights. If I crack the door, everything comes alive. Pretty neat. If you liked today's video, go ahead and click the like. Click subscribe because you know I'd certainly appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.